guys, happy new year, welcome to 2022. We are starting off with a big bang. You've seen the massive build. Aim at HILUX that we built. We went to town on that, we did absolutely everything. Right behind me I've got myself another HILUX. This HILUX is also a 2021 model. It's got a new front bar. Really nice one. I'm not going to show you what it's all about because what I'm going to do after this, I'm going to show you the review and the final touches. Now just give you a breakdown of what we've done to this vehicle. We've done the Dobinson 3-inch lift with the Car off-road upper control arms and their diff drop. We've also done the brand new Australian made HSP roller shutter. Massive shout out once again to Fat Bars. We've done the Fat Bar stainless steel snorkel. We also wrapped up this car with some brand new wheels and tyres. We went with the Cant block wheels, the fuel blocks 17x90 offset, and wrapped them up with the 285/7017 Toyo Open Country RTs. We've also done the DriveTech winch, and we're also getting it tinted as we speak. So you mother functions, I hope you enjoy this HILUX because we've got these bars and now they are in stock. Call us today, and if you want to see anything else built, anything you have in mind, if you've got a car yourself that you want to get auto craze, come in and see us, and trust me, we'll get it done.